Oh, well, hello guys. I don't know why I said it twice, but I did. Yep, I'm being off camera for quite a couple of minutes before I started recording. Um, so what I'm going to do, right? I am going to build. Yeah, where's the engine? I've got the materials. I just need a few bit more scrap and scrap metal, and I'm doing the gas engine. Guys, this engine's not really good. I don't know, it's not really good at the moment. But I've checked that one. I need to look for a different one. And there's another one down there. So I will be going down to that one. And it's kind of weird. I got one normal tire, one. Actually, one broken tire. And got three nice tires. So I've just been. Oh yeah, when I was walking around, I found oil pond straight down there where I'm facing. So that's great for me. So yeah, and just have to win a bit because I will be doing that. I will need to build the dress spot soon because I want to see what I could get from that. Nothing there. Like some of them have not been reset, so that's not very good for me. And it is turning night right now. I don't really need them. Has nothing really been nothing. And mostly food is critical for me, and I barely have any food at the moment. So that's not really good. I could do that. You need food. And there's none I could take from here. That's the thing, though. I really need food at the moment. That's what I mostly need, and look at this engine. That's what I'm going to do anyway. And I'm running that sprint. I'm so sorry if it's glitching, because I'm using my iPad this time, because I don't need to keep stopping and looking at my recording. I know I could do that, but you know, it's what I'm going to do today. If it's not good, I am not going to do it again, because I need one, like, only thing I'm recording, I don't really care about reviews or anything. I just want to like make people happy, so you know, like that. I just want to make people happy. Well, I can't do that if people don't watch it that much, my channel that much, or anything like that. Is it still growing? Food. Well, I could put down, you can eat potatoes, can't you? I don't really know. You can put some down like now. I don't know really. I'm gonna just walk around, find some enemies. I need to get scrap metal, so that's what I'm mostly gonna do right now. And yeah. I checked up here, there's no way. Can I get to the top? I think I can. I'd be good if I can. I've checked this floor, but I'm gonna check again. Yeah, nothing. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I nearly fell fully. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about what we did again. Have you? No, I haven't checked these out one. No, I left this here because I got attacked and I completely forgot about it. Yeah, you could get up here. I didn't even know it. Didn't even. Oh my. Okay. I couldn't. I can't check up there then. Oh, golden chest. Yeah, that's sweet. I've got commandment kits. Oh, I've got a golden chest. I've never really seen them. But you know, yeah, I wasn't really planning on making a video, but I'm just finding like alright stuff, so I was like, might as well make a video then. I am really sorry if it is slow. Kitchen. What? But yeah, it's alright. How much metal do I need to make the engine? That's going to be made right now. So I'm making the engine. And then what do you need to make a seat? Yeah, I don't know cotton. I can get moved there. Where's the bucket? And I let that grow then. Okay, what else do I need? So I need glue permanent kits. I need more of that. I can make more scrap metal, can't I? No, I can't. So what I can do now, I can keep this scrap engine, but eh. So that's that goes in. Yeah. I will need more stuff, but I need a lot of scrap metal. To be honest, yeah, is what it is right now. But you know, so what I need to do, get that done soon. Didn't you know you can do that? Beacon. I don't really need a beacon right now, to be honest. Got that. Got no. I can make some gas in here now. Let's find some. Put the engine on a bit. My hunger is going down. What I can do, go to the other side and get from down there. don't know where I heard that from. I know another desert. Oh, desert I think it is. Yeah, also has a desert, so I'm gonna call it as a desert. Running. That's good. Mm. Where did you come from? Because on my iPad I'm looking and it's like lagging a bit, so I hope it's not like that. Or not. If it is, I'm sorry about that. I got no food at all. But you know, yeah, I guess it is what it is right now at this moment. So I don't know about that much survival on Scum Mechanic because I used to play it and just creative. I need that right now. I just need food. Some food from this. That's not enough. Yep, there's another one right there. So I know 2 places where to get fuel. I'll get that. There's a bit to go underneath here. Sounds like there is. There is. What's that? And I don't really mind that. Chain ammo. I keep hearing you, and you always been down here that long, and you didn't see me. And yeah, I didn't see you as well. So, what I'm gonna do, I need a refinery, but I need the drills, so, because I need a lot of stuff, so, yeah. head back to the thing and do that. I'm gonna see what this is. So what do you do here? I actually don't know what you do here. What do you do? I like how they done with texture, to be honest. It's so good. Let's head back to the start. Was there one or was there? No. Yeah, it always was there. That tire is spinning me out. I might go down because I've just built a house around there. Yeah, it'd be good, and after that I can just build a beacon so I know where it is and everything like that. I see it because I need to build this car way bigger. How much do they give you extras? So I still don't have enough. I need to find more robots. No, haybots are called? Yeah, they are called haybots. Find more haybots. To be honest, guys, I really need the metal right now. Because I need to build a chest, and after that I would destroy my whole car again. I don't know what you do with this, to be honest. I don't know. Talking about haybot. I would definitely need to do that. Like, I can use that other engine for stuff. For what they call? I don't even know what they call it again. Things like break the stone. I can't remember the name. Oh god. I'm stuck. That's the first time I died in this series, I think. But yeah. It'll be good. It's like a learning progress. You can have my materials back, please. Thank you. Oh, yeah, for the drills. That's what the word is. Hey, get back here. I'm mad at you. I said get back here. I'm mad at you. Just one shot. Because I damaged it anyway, though. You know. See? Oh, milkshake. I would need to put a beacon on my card just in case. Anything up here? Yep. Oh, 2 hay balls. Joey. Okay, wait. That's good. I will probably end it after this, building the chest. And next time my next video is going to be upgrading the car. No, I know that for sure because I need to do the car better and bigger, better, so I can fit the chest on. Like, and I could probably build like another clothing thing. That's good. Circuit board. Where's my circuit board gone? There. Kit. Yeah. Ooh, more gas. You see if my thing needs a top up or not. I'll be going down there in a minute. Why is ammo paint? Should have done that. But you know, I've lost my car. I can't go anywhere without my car. I bring my. That's a mission. Find my car. It's probably down here. If not, I will have to wait until it's like lighter so I can go and find the car. But never mind if it's here. I've literally thought I left the car here. Not here, somewhere else. That's what I thought. You can just get glue in my hand right now. Because after this, I'm gonna like come off. I stay here for a minute so I can get this done. Because I will need. Oh no, I don't need a water cannon. Which one is it? This. I need a vacuum pump so I can get all that into a chest. And yeah, I got enough for this, so yeah, that would be great. To be honest, right now. 55 seconds. Well, I could like start ripping this off again. I know I did it last time, but you know. Forgot about that. I'd done that before. No, I got grateful, but I do. Got a chest now. Now you can just pop it. So I'm just gonna disconnect it there. Gas I've got. That can go here. Oil. Engine. I need some light in here, so that's good. More chemicals. That I can just keep it in my inventory. That can come off. So what I can do now, I've just going to put that there. Do that. That's what I'm gonna do. And because I said earlier, just like get this all done and dusted. So I will need to build a house, because that's what I'm gonna do. Build a house, and yeah, see what I can do. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna leave it here, and have a great time, and goodbye.